So here's how I solved the Harry Potter problem. From the beginning, we can tell that there's one that goes forward, one that goes backward. There's 3 killer drinks, which are poison, and then there's 2 that are mentioned, which are just normal or wine. So the first hint we can't do because we don't know which ones are the wine, but the second we can do, and the second one tells us that the ends, so 7 and 1, are not forward. So we can mark those off. And then the third hint tells us that the big and the small ones are not poison, and in our case, that's 2 and 3. And then the fourth one tells us that the second to the ends, which are 2 and 6, are twins, so they do the same thing, which means they can't be forward and backwards. And that leaves 2 being a wine. And since 2 and 6 are twins, we can go ahead and mark 6 as a wine as well. So that lets us go back up to number 1, which deals with wines. And it says that the poison is on the left of the wine. So that means 1 and 5 are both poisons. And then at number 2, it says that the ends, the 1 and the 7, they couldn't go forward, but it says that they are different. So if 1 is a poison and it can't be and 7 can't be a wine and it can't go forward, that means it goes backwards. And so now we just have 3 and 4, and we need 1 poison and 1 forward, and we know that 3 can't be a poison, so it must be the forward, and then 4 must be our last poison.